Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. I was getting ready and I've just finished doing my makeup. I was about to do my hair, so I thought why not document it and share it with you guys. So basically I washed my hair last night. Now I work out in the evening, sometimes in the morning, so whenever I do work out, after a few days I'd like to wash my hair. Usually it's around 3 days mark. After 3 days I don't think my hair and my scalp can survive the muck and the sweat. Okay, I'm not going to go into details, but yes, we cannot survive without washing our hair. I'm not going on this rant right now. All I have to show you right now is the quickest way to blow dry and protect your hair without using a hair protection serum. Now I've never used a hair protection serum. Let me just put it out there for everybody. For me, it's just a form of a marketing gimmick. They are just trying to sell us a product which we particularly don't need, but I could totally be wrong because my hair is my hair. Whatever nutrients I'm providing to my body and my hair helps me keep my hair luscious and soft. So this is exactly what my hair looks like right now. This is not blow dried. This is my natural wavy curly hair, if you can tell. And I'm going to show you how you can take your hair from this to this in exactly 5 minutes. You don't need any fancy tools. You don't need a lot of time. You can do this in the morning. It will save you a lot of time. I used to work for someone whose office used to be about an hour and a half away from my house, and I used to drive really early in the morning, which meant that I had to wake up really early in the morning. I'm so glad that I found this trick where I used to wash my hair in the night, and in the morning it used to take me 5 minutes to get my hair ready for work. So the trick is that you basically wash your hair the night before and you only blow dry it in the morning by just spraying some water or literally just putting your wet hand on your hair strands to make them a little damp, and very quickly it dries your hair and makes them look super straight, super silky, super soft. The only thing that I do the night before is that I always apply a hair mask. I don't use a conditioner anymore. It's been a year since I have used a conditioner. Instead, I've been using this hair mask from the brand Bare Anatomy. I don't know if you've heard of it. I actually discovered it on Instagram and I absolutely fell in love with it. In fact, I even converted my husband to use this product, and the entire hair care range is fantastic. This is not, by the way, a sponsored video. I genuinely love their product. So the two hair masks that I've been using is the damage repair hair mask. It is this big bottle. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to touch it because it's still a conditioner. So this is what it looks like. Smells amazing, and your hair smells amazing. So this one is the damage repair hair mask, the one that I'm using right now. And I also bought myself the anti-frizz hair mask because I do feel like my hair gets a little frizzy, and this is what it looks like. I have been switching between these two lately. I've been using the shampoo from this brand, and it doesn't matter what shampoo you use because it's just a cleaner cleanser for your scalp. This is the holy grail. This is what makes your hair soft and shiny and manageable. So yeah, so this is what you do. I basically apply it on my hair. So my routine is that I first get into the shower and the first thing I do is shampoo my hair, followed by the hair mask. I use a comb, and guys, don't raise your eyebrows yet. So my theory is that if you use a wide tooth comb, something like this in the shower while you are conditioning your hair or you've applied the mask, you just basically run it through your strands like this and let it be while you're washing your body. After I've applied my body wash and my body oil, the next thing that I do is rinse myself, and the last thing that I do in the shower is wash my hair. So I wash off all that mask off and my hair looks so amazing. It's wonderful. So cutting long story short, I'll show you how I blow dry my hair using just a regular blow dryer. This is something that you find in a lot of regular salons. It's just a regular blow dryer. This one costs maybe nothing. It's a professional blow dryer which costs about 500 or 700 rupees. I will link it in the description box below. It's available on Amazon, and my god guys, my Dyson is a fail in front of this. So now that we've done a lot of chatter, let's get into the video. I'm going to tell you what you do first. You've got your dry hair. All you need to do is start sectioning it. The reason why you always section your hair is because it allows you to concentrate on a smaller part of your hair. Let me show you how. So the reason why I don't apply anything while my hair is dry is because the night before I already did a lot of prep. I used the hair mask, I also used a hair serum. So I've been using the Kerastase hair serum. It's a little expensive, but I think it does the job very well. So it's definitely worth the investment. Okay, so first thing first, we've already sectioned my hair into two. All I'm going to do is just wet my palms. So my hands are all wet. All I'm going to do is run my fingers through it. That's all that you need to do. Now starts the blow drying process. Let me show you how. Okay, so you take the blow dryer and you take your round barrel brush. I've been using this one from Roots. This is now 4 years old. I keep it clean. I will link it in the description box below. It's pretty cool. This one is the PEC 58. They basically have different variations of it depending on the thickness of the barrel. All you need to do is blow dry the section of your hair that you've just divided. Let me show you how. So the first section of my hair is done. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to divide my crown into 3 parts. So we'll just take the crown area. You can use anything. I mean, sometimes I don't even need a comb actually. You just need to divide it like this. This is 1 part and this is going to be our 3 parts. Just put it in a section. Wow, when I'm not talking, when I'm not doing the video, I'm far quicker. So it's literally a 5-minute job. It's not going to take you longer than that. Again, I'm going to wet my hands and I'm just going to run them through my hair. Wet hands. Hair strand literally is so soft. I can feel the mask on my hair right now. Okay, back to the blow dryer. Now if you notice the hand actions that I do, I don't always hold my blow dryer like this. It doesn't matter, you can also hold it with the barrel. This one's a big blow dryer. If you have a smaller one, you might find it a little troublesome holding it like this, but this is such a good blow dryer. I can't imagine blow drying my hair with anything else. So if you saw, on the left hand side, I used the blow dryer from the barrel, not the handle. I literally use it like this because it's far easier to reach the hair like that. But if you're blow drying your hair on the right hand side, this is pretty comfortable. So focus on the motion. What I'm going to do with the hairbrush is I'm going to bring my hair towards my face from the back. That didn't even take me a minute and this side is already done. Now we're going to go to the right hand side. Now I'm going to leave the crown area as is right now and divide the hair into 2 parts again. Sectioning it. How pretty I must be looking right now. Okay, this could actually be just a hairstyle. Again, for this portion, I'm going to wet my hands and run my finger through the hair strands very quickly. That's it. So it's always semi-done. Now because we're working on the left hand side and I'm actually a righty, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the blow dryer like this. Voila! So both the sides are done now. The reason why it doesn't take too long is also because of the brush that I'm using. This particular brush has a ceramic barrel, which means that not only is it protecting your hair, it's also quicker and retains heat on the barrel. So if I were to just basically leave my hair, and if I had time, I would just leave my hair like this for like maybe a minute and just stand. For a minute, it's going to actually give me curls, which it already did. Yeah. Works pretty well. Now for the last bit, we have to blow dry the crown area. I'm going to divide it again into 2 portions. So the front is going to be the last portion that I'm going to blow dry, and I will clip it like this. Again, let's wet the hands. That's it. Gives a little weight. Now I'm going to blow dry it like this. And that's it. This portion is also done. Flip it in the back. Now bring the last section in the front, and I'm just gonna tie it in a crown. Wet my hair. Now depending whether you part on the left side or the right side, just hold the blow dryer and the hairbrush accordingly. I will just hold it for maybe 30 seconds, that's it, and allow the hair to settle in and give that bounce effect. And that's it. Open it. Open the rest of your hair. And that's it, guys. This is it. Do you see the little bounce that it gave by just holding it for 15 seconds, and my hair is done. This is what it looks like from the back. Each and every hair strand is blow dried. There's no frizz. The hair color is pretty visible. Now I'm someone who plays with my hair a lot. You might even have noticed it in the videos. I'm constantly changing the parting. Sometimes I like it on the right side, sometimes I like it on the left side. So yeah, this is me all over the place whenever I'm playing with my hair. I'm literally like doing this, playing with my hair, curling it, etc. So that's it, guys. This is a quick blow dry trick I wanted to share with you guys. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to watch next. I'm working on a lot of fashion content, but I also like to squeeze in a little bit of beauty content here and there. I feel these little things that we do, whether it's a blow dryer, whether it's applying a little bit of kohl, applying a little bit of lipstick and blush, or just like jewelry, all of these things end up adding to your personality and making you look and feel like $1,000,000, which is what this channel is all about. Do show me some love on Instagram. I'm trying to grow that channel, so your support is everything. As mentioned earlier, I will link everything, including the top that I'm wearing, in the description box below. This is actually something that I picked up from Urbanic, and every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. It is such a feminine and beautiful top with crochet details. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what you want to watch next, and I will see you guys very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.